What? Here.
Oh. Sorry.
What are you looking at?
Forget what? We ain't tell you to say nothing.
Okay.
She said, I forget. What? Joya looking at you like, what are you gonna do? Joya, look at her. What? What you gonna say? You gonna do it? Huh? What? So y'all just gonna be in front of the camera like that and not say nothing for like 1 minute? Huh? Pull your skirt down, girl. So you just gonna be in front of the camera? You too, you know, without saying hey. 1 minute.
Ow.
Ah, shit, you like that. Huh? Leave our ball alone. You say hey? Since they don't know how to talk on camera, I'm gonna have to talk for them. What's up, guys? Yeah, but you've been crying talking about I wanna vlog, I wanna vlog. What up, guys?
Your kid is in my way.
Yeah, we just relaxing right now. I got home today and I decided to cut the grass because it was getting up over top of my head.
Huh?
The grass was getting up so high.
Yeah.
And so I cut the grass and I came in and my wife and she had dinner cooked for us.
No. Kia, bought pizza.
Ooh, she put you on the spot, Kia.
No, she didn't.
She said you bought pizza.
Yes, because Daddy didn't want to stop by the store to get what I wanted to get. So, put you on the spot.
Ooh, I said Kia cooked. And Jordan put her on the spot, said, nah, she ain't cooked nothing. She had a pizza. Ooh.
Okay.
And
What else?
She said, right, Jordan.
And Kia, got fries.
Some fries, yeah, fries. We ate a frozen pizza and fries. Kia wanted to actually stop somewhere, but I didn't feel like stopping. I knew I had to get on home so I can try to cut the grass. So I got that done. It was so hot out there.
Yep,
Now,
and I ride more.
and
I ride my bike. You
Yeah.
know, training wheels.
Yeah, Jordan, she rode her bike. Why can't you talk? Here, I'm talking and you wanna jump in. Here, why can't you just talk if you wanna talk?
Okay.
You forget everything when you get the camera. When you get the camera, you forget everything.
Okay.
Right, so you rode your bike. Keep on talking. Miss, I want to talk when somebody else talking. What else happened?
And we ate.
And then what we do?
Watching stuff about God.
Okay.
And Joy is
Joya, she's just relaxing right here on me.
and eating her bow.
Yeah, don't put your bowl in your mouth.
Her already did.
No, don't do that. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Is that a bump on her face?
What?
Is this a bump? What is it? It's food.
Ew.
Anything? Ew. Sit up, Miss Boogie in your nose. You J Boogie too. Ooh, J Boogie. Number 2. This is number 1.
I'm not J Boogie.
It is J Boogie.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
I did all the Bammer stuff.
I'm supposed to forget. Yeah, so about to get ready to watch some of this basketball game.
Yeah, but you didn't want it to watch it.
I know I didn't want to watch it because I'm scared.
Because you're scared. Because you are a scaredy cat.
Yo.
Because you didn't want it to watch it because you're scared because you think your game is going to lose.
So.
But that is still alright because it's just a game.
Okay, you was just crying because your picture almost flew out the window. So what? It's just a picture.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
So what? Yeah.
Jordan. So what they gotta do with it? We're gonna try to throw little other examples of something else.
What can you do with Daddy?
Yeah, but I just looked at the score on my phone and I saw Cleveland was up, babe. It was up by 13 points.
For a little while. It won't last. Let's go Warriors.
Oh. You gonna sleep on the couch tonight.
Who?
You.
Who?
You over there?
Who?
The owl.
Huh? Please.
Since you're supposed to go for Cleveland, man.
No, I don't.
You know, we only go for the Warriors when they're not playing Cleveland.
No.
But what did that call? What did that call?
What, TV?
No, what? What the what?
Tomorrow what we're watching?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're watching a DVD. It's about Black history.
What's Black history?
It's about our heritage. Don't keep asking me a whole lot of questions. What's this? What's that? What's this? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's this? Why? Yeah, so we're watching a documentary. One of my friends at work, he shared this documentary with me to watch. So I'm watching it, and it's supposed to be like true Black history, stuff that they don't teach you in schools. If y'all want to check it out, it's a documentary. They just released one. It's called Hidden Colors. Hidden Colors 4, I think it came out. And it's one of the best sellers on Amazon right now. It's actually sold out on Amazon now. It's called Hidden Colors 4. But it's pretty cool.
Can I say something?
Okay, go say something.
I visit my school.
You visit your school?
Mm-hmm.
You did visit it. I saw you.
Mm-hmm.
You had fun?
Yeah. Kinda.
We remember what happened.
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to tell you. Some people, they were saying, don't make me come down there to that school, because they was going to come down to their school and protect you.
Okay.
Remember? Remember what happened?
Yeah.
What happened? Huh?
Someone hurt my feelings?
Yeah. So they were saying they was gonna come. They were gonna come down to your school. And they was gonna talk to them kids.
Really?
They said, don't make me come down there.
Really?
What's so funny?
They said, it's okay, Jordan. It'll be okay.
So goofy.
She is goofy. Enjoy looking at her like, is that my sister for real?
Joy was asleep. She just popped up.
Joy is sitting there, got a booger hanging on her nose.
Yeah, get it from your dad.
Yeah, we talking about you and Ting. Yeah, she's slobbing all over her face.
Leave my baby alone.
Look at her hair. Me and her need to put some moisturizer on her hair.
I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired.
Man.
Got this thing on my chest.
Chest hurting.
From Julia.
But I will be back in a few after I find out what King James gonna do.
What's
Sit on the bench.
She running that mouth over there.
Shoot bricks.
Run that mouth over there. Yeah.
Why?
Y'all see that long couch over there? Kid gonna think that's be very comfortable.
He ain't sleeping on nobody's couch, so.
Huh?
Don't listen to Jordan.
If I lay,
Me
If
sleep.
anybody sleep on the couch, it'll be Jordy Chambers. Just know
You
that.
said he.
and I would
Know that.
lay on it. Hey there, hey there, hey there.
Okay. I see you. You sleep over there? What are you doing?
I just want you to sleep with me. But you can't.
Guys, she's over here begging me to go sleep in the bed with her. But I try to tell her that I gotta help Kia with the baby. She don't care. You don't care? I gotta help with the baby, Jordan.
I know.
Yeah, we take turns sometimes. I slept with you, what, 2 days ago?
Oh.
Yeah. Monday night, I slept in there with you. My tink. Tink, tink, sweep. Yes, guys, so how about the calves? The calves are up now. Oh, it's blurry. Wait a minute. Guys, so how about the calves? They up now. I think they might win this third quarter. It's at the end of the third quarter, but I don't know. We'll see if the Warriors gonna come back. But it's about let me see. It's about 11 o'clock right now. I'm just beat from cutting that grass, so I don't even have the energy in me to stay up to watch the game. So it's not an elimination game now, so I'm like really or whatever now. So you gonna come say goodnight, Jordan? Kia, she downstairs getting Joyous bottles and stuff ready. Come here. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna go tuck you in the bed, little spoiled girl.
Okay.
You just want me to tuck you in? Huh? Yeah.
Or I can sleep right there.
You want to sleep right there? She wants to sleep inside the. What kind of couch is that? That's the
Dora couch.
Yeah, it's like a Dora couch that we got. We got it for Joya to sit down.
No, it's really for me.
Well, we brought it in here for Joya so she can watch.
Yeah.
Watch TV. But
yeah,
yeah.
Because Joy have her own one.
Yeah. Jordan says she wants to sleep down here on the Dora couch.
Please.
Your rooms are right there though. That nice room you got. God, she got a queen size bed and she don't want to sleep in it. I don't care.
Yay.
But you gotta say goodnight.
Oh yeah, good night.
What else you gonna say?
Subscribe in the comments. Let us know if you think I would sleep in the Dora bed.
Okay. I don't know what she just said, let you know, but let you know whatever she said. And what else?
And I hope you subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching Meet the Chambers. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button. And thanks for giving this video a thumbs up and sharing. Have a good day.